Yeah, good morning. Welcome back to the class. In the last class, we saw some problems in miscellaneous exercise. Let us continue. I think, if possible, I can finish 5 questions in this class. Let us see if I can. Remaining 3 questions will be there. Let us see. Right. So, to save the time, I wrote the question already. Using properties of determinants, prove that this is the question. Observe carefully. In the proving part, beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta plus gamma. These many terms are there. Means, depending on this, our operation should. These many terms are there. Depending on this, our operation should. Right? So I am going to rub this one. I am going to write in rough. Beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Right? That is our RHS. So this is LHS equals to R2 minus R1, R3 minus R. R2 we are changing, R2 minus R1, R3 we are changing, R3 minus R. That R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 you have to do in rough. Can you write R2 minus, what is R2? Second row beta square. I will do for this, you try for this. Only over this concept of, not problem. R2 gamma plus alpha, R1 alpha square beta plus gamma. Subtraction beta minus alpha, beta square minus alpha square, beta square minus alpha square. Subtraction. So while subtracting, signs get changed. While subtracting, signs get changed. So minus gamma plus gamma got cancelled. Alpha minus beta. This is beta minus alpha. This is beta minus alpha into beta plus alpha. This is alpha minus beta. Better take minus common. It becomes beta minus alpha. Minus into beta minus beta. Minus into minus alpha plus alpha. Beta minus alpha, beta minus alpha, beta minus alpha. We can take common in the next step. For that purpose, I have taken minus common from there. So second row, third row. We are changing second row, we are changing third row. First row will be as it is. Second row, what is second row? Beta minus alpha. Beta minus alpha into beta plus alpha. Minus of beta minus alpha. Okay? Same like that. You try for R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. You will get like this. Gamma minus alpha. Gamma minus alpha into gamma plus alpha. Alpha plus beta minus gamma. Plus beta minus beta cancel. Alpha minus gamma. Minus common. Gamma minus alpha. Okay? Beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, beta minus alpha. Take out from equals to beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha. So alpha, first row as it is. Beta minus alpha went out, beta minus alpha went out, beta minus alpha went out, minus 1 Gamma minus alpha went out. Gamma minus alpha went out. Gamma plus alpha. Gamma minus alpha went out. Minus 1. Okay. Equals to. Here what I am doing? 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1. Minus of minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. This also. So I am doing R3 minus R2. R3 we are changing like R3 minus R. Beta minus alpha. Gamma minus alpha. First row. Second row. Third row minus second row. 1 minus 1 0. Third row minus second row. Gamma plus alpha minus beta minus alpha. Plus alpha minus alpha cancel. Gamma minus beta. Sir, we did not understand the system. Try in rough, you will get the same thing. You too get the same thing. You try in rough. Okay? Right. Minus 1 minus half minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 0. Okay now? So this part already we got, that part we have to get. Equals to beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha. Expansion by using last row. Why particularly last row? Yes, very good. 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros are there. Expansion will be easy. So we are going to expand this determinant by using last row. Pattern shape, observe carefully pattern shape. Whenever you are taking this one or this one or this one or this one, change the sign for those. So, into and by expanded determinant by using last row, minus of gamma minus beta. Okay, now in pattern shape this is there. For this complete part we have to take the negative sign, minus. Where it is in last row, middle column. Remove those two. Remaining what is there? These two and these two. Right in rough. 1 minus 1. Expand this determinant. Alpha into minus 1 minus alpha minus immediately minus alpha into minus 1 minus alpha immediately minus 1 into beta plus gamma. Beta plus gamma. Okay, no? Equals to beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha minus gamma minus beta. Gamma minus beta. Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha. Right, somewhere. Let us see what's after getting RHS, let us see. So minus of gamma minus beta. This one will be minus alpha minus beta minus gamma. Okay. Equal to beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha into gamma minus beta into, take minus common. That minus, this minus becomes plus. Plus, write like this. Don't write plus like this. Sir, in complete mathematics, no. Particularly at this step. If you write like this, definitely you will get doubt from where we got plus. If you write like this, then you can understand that there is something that we cancelled. What is that something? Negative sign. If you write very clearly plus like this, definitely will get out from where we got plus alpha. Okay, so write like this, then you will understand. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Minus went out, everything becomes plus. Then that's it. This is RHS. Beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, gamma minus beta, alpha plus beta plus gamma. That's what we have to prove. If anything changes, then take minus gamma. That's it. Beta minus alpha. Yeah, beta minus alpha. Beta minus gamma is there in the proving part. Beta minus gamma is there. Gamma minus alpha is there. Gamma minus alpha. Alpha minus beta is there. That's it. What is there? Just take minus gamma. Chances are there to give the same thing in the question also. What is there taking minus gamma here and here? It will become reverse. That's it. In a single step it will be over. See, RHS may be this also. This is also RHS. Okay. Chances are there to change the question like this. So I am taking minus common here. It becomes alpha minus beta. This will be gamma minus alpha. Taking minus common here, it becomes beta minus gamma. That minus this minus becomes plus. Over. Equal to RHS. That's it. Now we can check alpha minus beta is there. Yes. Gamma minus alpha is there. Yes. Beta minus gamma is there. Yes. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is there. Yes. Equal to RHS. Okay. Right. Next question. Next one, x execute, x execute, 1 plus bx cube, y x square, 1 plus bx cube, y square, 1 plus by cube, z square, 1 plus bz equals 1 plus bxyz x minus y minus z minus x, where p is any scalar, where p is any scalar. Scalar means constant. That's where p is any scalar. Right? This is the question. That is the thing we have to prove. So again x minus y minus z minus x. The last question, alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha. Same procedure. How to get that one? Same. Y minus x, z minus x, y square minus x square, z square minus x square. This one minus this one, this one minus this one. Then we get automatically same procedure. Okay now? Right. This is our beautiful LHS. So R2 I am changing R2. R2 minus R1. You please do in rough. Definitely you will get. Chapter is going to be finished. Sir, still we did not understand. Means see the previous videos. Watch the previous videos. That's it. Okay. Second row, third row we are changing. Nothing happened to first row. R2 minus R1, y minus x, y square minus x square, y minus x into y plus x, a square minus b square form. This one minus this one, minus minus, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. py cube minus px. Py cube minus px cube, p common, y cube minus x cube, p into a cube minus b cube formula starts with a minus b, y cube minus x cube formula starts with y minus x into y plus x whole square formula, y plus x whole square formula without 2. That's it. That's what we have to write here. P into y minus x into y square plus yx plus x square. Okay. Next, R3 minus R1, z minus x, z square minus x square, z minus x into z plus x. R3 minus R1, 1 plus pz cube, 1 plus pz cube minus 1 minus px cube. Please try in rough. Definitely you will get the same thing without having negative feeling. If you try, 200% you will get. Just by trying one step, oh, I am not getting this. No, how to do. Try sincerely. And you have to try as if you don't have any other way other than trying. By keeping it in mind, you try. दूसरा रास्ता ही नहीं, यही रास्ता में करना ही है कंपलसरी बोल के सोच के वो दिमाग में रख के करो, डेफिनेटली आंसर आ जाता है, राइट. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel, p common, z cube minus x, p into a cube minus b cube formula same like this, you write z minus x into z square plus zx plus x square. That's it. You try it up, you will get the same thing. Equals to, from second row we can take y minus x common, from third row we can take z minus x common. First row as it is, second row y minus x went out 1, y minus x went out, y plus x, y minus x went out, p into y square plus yx plus x square. From third row z minus x went out, z minus x went out, z minus x went out. Okay. Equals to y minus x, z minus x into, right up here 1 minus 1 0. Let us try why should we give 1 minus 1 0, this one minus this one, this one minus this one. Some chances are there we can simplify more. Okay, let us do R3 minus R2, R3 minus R2. R3 we are changing like R3 minus R. First row we are not changing, second row we are not changing. That's why keep first row and second row as it is. First row and second row as it is. Y square plus yx plus x square. Second row, R3 minus R, R3 minus R, 1 minus 1 0. Try in rough. R3 minus R2 minus x plus x cancel. Minus x plus x cancel. Z minus 5. Okay. So here this one minus this one. Okay. pz square plus pzx plus px square minus py square minus pyx minus px square. Any possibility to cancel? X x square minus bx square plus bx square cancel. Z square y square, okay. Zx yx, okay. Nothing is possible. So pz square, p common, then what is left? P common, then what is left? Anything, what is RHS? Z minus y, okay. Pz square minus py square plus pzx minus pyx, okay. Z minus y we want. Here observe carefully. From this complete part left, p will be outside only. Okay. P into z square minus y square, z plus y into z minus y. X common, z minus y. X common, z minus y. Okay. Z plus y means alpha, z minus y means beta, z minus y means beta. I think better to do that simplification there itself. Okay, let us split. P into here beta, alpha beta x beta, alpha beta plus x beta. We can take beta common, alpha plus x. We can take beta common, alpha plus x. Beta means z minus y. Beta means z minus y. Beta means z minus y. Into brackets alpha. What is alpha? Z plus y plus x. That's it. Okay. That we have right here. Z minus y into x plus y plus z. This complete simplification should not be in rough. In the main sheet it should be. Suppose this is your answer sheet. Here you have written determinant. Here you have written operation R3 minus R2. Here your steps should be. This complete simplification should be here. Then continuation of this determinant. This step you have. Okay? This complete simplification, okay. Otherwise, just because of this place, we have to write these many steps. We have tried these many steps. We have tried every time these things, these 8 elements as it is, just because of this place. So to avoid that one, the complete simplification, you have to write here. Then paper validator won't feel that student by hearted the answer, student copied the answer. He won't feel like that. If you write this complete rough, here it's not even right side, not even some other paper. Okay? So that is the way of scoring full marks. You can pause the video, write slowly. Understood? Equals to y minus x into z minus x into. Why we struggled that much means to take out z minus y common. Z minus y went out from last row. Z minus y went out 1. Z minus y went out 3 into x plus y plus z remain. Okay, now expansion of the determinant. Expansion of the determinant. Okay, right, by using first column, by using for x1 0, x into first row, first column remove, multiply these two, p into x plus y plus z into y plus x, immediately minus this one, p into y square plus yx plus x square, x into this much. Okay, next minus 1 into Patangshade, don't forget that one. Whenever we are using these places, we have to change the sign. Minus 1 into. Sir, you did not write flower bracket in any question. Why are you writing in this means? Here, particularly in this question, there are so many brackets. So if all brackets, if I write like this, chances are there to forget, chances are there to confuse. To avoid that confusion, I have written flower brackets. Okay, so minus 1 into minus 1. Remove this row and this one. Remaining is this one, and this one. Right? Multiply these two. P into x plus y plus z into x square minus 1 plus px cube into 1. Determinant expansion over. Why? Because last one is 0. x1 is 0. We are using first column to expand this determinant. If we simplify this much small part, then we get the answer. Okay, very small. Is it small? Okay. Y minus x, z minus x, z minus y. I think everything get cancelled. What we need, 1 plus pxyz we need, that's it. X minus y is there, yeah, y minus x is there, Chanta, no problem. Y minus z is there, z minus y is there, no problem. Z minus x is there. After simplifying this one, almost get cancelled. 1 plus pxyz will remain. So x into px into y, pxy. Px into x square, px square. Py into y, py square. Py into x, pxy. Following alphabetical order. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So pz into y, pyz. Pz into x, pxy. Minus py square minus pxy minus px square. Without making it immediately cancel. Minus py square plus py square minus px square plus px square minus pxy plus pxy got cancelled. Okay, minus 1 into px into x square, px cube. Okay, px cube, right, px cube. Px into x square, px cube. Py into x square, px square y. Pz into x square, px square z. Okay, minus into 1 minus 1 minus into plus minus px. I am searching for negative px. I thought that it is here only. No, it is here. Px cube minus px cube got cancelled. That's it. Now multiply with x, multiply with negative. Then let us see the fighting, climax fighting. Okay. equals to y minus x, z minus x, z minus y into x into pxy, px square next x into this one pxyz, x into pxz, x into pxz, px square z, x into pxz, px square z. That's it. With x multiplication 1, 2, 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3 terms here. Minus 1 into px square y, minus px square y. Minus 1 into px square z, minus px square z. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That's it. That's it. Minus px square z plus px square z. Minus px square y plus px square y. Got cancelled. 1 plus pxyz. Now I am writing this systematically. What we want? 1 plus pxyz first. Okay, I will write afterwards. X minus y we want. X minus y we don't have. I am writing x minus y by taking minus common. X minus y, y minus z we want. Y minus z. Okay, I will write afterwards. Y minus z minus common. That minus this minus becomes plus. Okay, into pxyz plus 1, 1 plus pxyz. Now whatever they gave in the question, in that form only I am writing. In the question they gave 1 plus pxyz, first x minus y, next y minus z, next z minus x, next. Sir, is it necessary to write? Better to write in the question they gave like that only. In the last question I did not write. Better to write in the last step in the RHS whatever they gave in the question. Better to write that. Okay, nothing wrong if you write like that. Okay. Next question. Let us see the next question. Next question, 3a minus a plus b minus a plus c minus b plus e 3b minus b plus c minus c plus e minus c plus b minus c plus b, yes, 3c. 3 into a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus c. Here we want a plus b plus c, we want 3, we want ab plus bc plus c. ab plus bc plus c, right? So if you observe carefully, if you add first row, second row and third row, no use at all. First row, second row, third. 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 If you add like this, 3a plus a, 4a plus a, 5a, we don't have unnecessary headache. Further steps will be very difficult, very lengthy. If you go with C1 plus C2 plus C3, if you go with means first column we are changing, second column will be as it is, third column will be as it is, First column, second column, third column, we are adding like this, we are adding like this. We are adding like this. Okay? 3a minus a plus b minus a plus b. 3a minus a means 2a plus b minus a plus c minus a plus c. 2a minus a plus b plus c plus very good. Without students, if I tell very good, I think myself I am telling very good. What are my chances? There is no other way. Okay, now I am telling your expression very good. Okay, I am going to imagine that you are telling the answer. Okay, now I think you too got the answer, same answer. Right. Next, minus b plus a, 3b minus 3b plus minus b plus c. If you add, you will get a plus b plus c. Sir, how? Try it off. Column operation also we did, row operation also we did. In couple of minutes this chapter is going to be finished. Couple of minutes means next hour, not in this class, next hour, mostly last class. Okay, here this also. Right? And don't start thinking next who is going to take. Mostly Avantika sir is going to take. I don't know who is. Mostly Avantika sir. Equals to a plus b plus c common, a plus b plus c common. 1 minus a plus b, 3b minus c plus b minus a plus c minus b plus c, 3c. Okay, right? A plus b plus c. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, R2 minus R1. R2 we are changing R2 minus R1. R3 we are changing R3 minus R1. In the examination, students are writing like this. This is wrong. You have to mention here which row you are changing. R3 minus R1 you are writing. This is wrong. You have to mention here which row you are changing. Okay. So R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0. So first row as it is. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0. 3b minus a, 3b plus a minus b. Subtraction. You try it off, you will get the same thing. 3b minus b, 2b. 3b minus b, 2b. Minus a plus 2. A plus 2. Minus b plus c. Minus plus a minus c. Minus c plus c cancel, a minus 2. You try it off. Please try it off. Just nothing is there. R2 minus, what is R2? What is R2? What is R1? Subtraction. Subtraction means signs get changed. Sir, that's what we do have doubt. Whether we have to change here also or not. That's what the doubts are. Otherwise we get. How many problems we did like this? See the previous videos. How many problems we did? Right? 1 minus 1 0. A minus b plus 3b. A minus b plus 3b. A plus 2. Okay, now. Minus b plus c minus b plus a minus c plus a minus. That's what I did there. Okay. Equals to next. It is normal series. Okay. Don't worry. R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0. Minus c plus b. This one. Minus c plus b plus a minus b. A minus c. Next 3c R3 minus R1. R3 minus 3c plus A minus C. A plus 2C. A plus 2C. If you try like that, definitely you will get. The thing is, you have to try. Equal A plus B plus C. Enough. 2 zeros we got expand determinant. Expand determinant. By using first row or first column, both are. No, not first row. By using first column will be easy, right? So 1 into. Remove those 2. A plus 2B into this one. Minus A minus B into A. A into A square. A into 2C, 2AC alphabetical order. 2B into A, 2AB. 2B into 2C, 4BC. Minus A into A minus A square. Minus A into minus C plus AC. Minus into minus plus B into A plus B into A plus B. Minus into minus plus into minus minus. B into C, BC. B into C, BC, BC. Anything get cancelled or any simplification chances are there. Minus A square plus A square cancel. So no squares at all. Let us see about AB terms. Where are AB terms? 2AB, AB, 3AB. 2AB plus AB, 3AB. Next BC plus 4BC minus BC plus 3BC. Right? Next AC. Where is AC? 2AC plus 3AC. 2AC plus AC. 3A's. 3 common RHS we got. That's it. Okay. Next question. I cannot finish if I start now. Within time I cannot finish. Let us see in the next class. Practice the questions properly. Next 2 questions are there. 2 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions are there. Among these 6 questions, 3 are objective. Among these 6 questions, 2 questions I have to solve. 1 more question I have to solve partially. Remaining question I give homework. Otherwise, I only will solve. Let us see. 2 objective questions are there. Those are easy. Anyhow, in the next class we can finish this exercise, this chapter. 1, 2, 3. Today class only 3 questions. Why? Because questions are very lengthy. Questions are very lengthy. So it took time. Okay. Right. Let us see in the next class. Thank you very much.